Hello everyone, welcome to Foodie Mom. I'm back with cooking after reviewing Khadi Natural Beauty products. I think I can't stay away for long from cooking. So let's start with today's recipe. I'm preparing chicken dish today. First thing that comes to our mind listening chicken is chicken tangri. Now chicken legs have more flavor than chicken breast and that's why it takes longer to cook. And also, chicken legs is more popular in tandoori form, which is chicken tandoori. But that I will prepare in subsequent videos. Today I am giving it a masala flavor, which can be eaten with paranthas, naans, and boiled rice. Let's start with main ingredients. We'll be marinating it overnight and we'll do cooking tomorrow morning. So let me tell you the ingredients for today dish. This is 1 cup of fried dried onions. You can easily get it from market. This is 3 big spoons of curd, tablespoons. This is one medium size of tomato chopped. This is one medium size onion sliced. These are the drumsticks, chicken legs that I was talking about. The weight of these legs are 600 grams. Yes, and I have poked them with knife so that the masala, the marination can go inside it. And now this is ginger garlic paste, about 2.5 spoon of it. This is grated ginger, 1.5 spoon. This is small cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 6 black pepper, 1 badi ilaichi. This is 2 cardamoms, choti ilaichi, hari ilaichi, you can say. 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 heaped tablespoon of dry coriander powder, half spoon of cumin seeds, jeera, half spoon of garam masala, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. This is 1/4 spoon of red chili powder. This is half spoon of degi mirch in a powder form, of course. This is 1 spoon of chicken masala that I'm using. And then I'll be also using lemon juice. You can take any lemon juice that is available in your market. And I'm taking half cup of oil. So these all are the ingredients that I'll be using in today's recipe. And let's start with the marination. So guys, I've taken this big plastic container and I'll be putting in all the ingredients one by one. So let's start. So I've put in the chicken legs. Now I'll be putting in the fried dried onions and yogurt or maybe curd, as you can say. So let's start. Now I'll be putting dry masalas. These ones that I have told. Dun, dun, now I'll be putting onion and tomato. Now I'll be putting this ginger garlic paste, grated ginger and the khada masalas. And now we'll mix all of these ingredients together with a big spoon or with your hand. You can do it in any form that you are comfortable in. And before that, let me put the oil. And 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. And now we'll start to mix it. I'm doing this by using my hand. You can do it with big spoon. So it's completely your wish how you gonna do it. So friends, this is how the final marination looks like. So now I'll cover it and keep it overnight in the fridge with the lid. I'll just close it properly. And friends, don't forget to poke in the fork into the drumsticks so that marination can be absorbed by the chicken legs. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, sleep tight and good night. Good morning to all lovely people out there. Welcome again to Foodie Mom. So, friends, let's continue. So, the chicken legs we marinated are ready to get cooked. We'll just pour 1 tablespoon of desi ghee with half a spoon of shahi jeera, that is royal cumin seeds, and we'll put all the marinated chicken legs with masala into the pan, and we are done. Yes, you heard me right. We are done. This is the beauty of this dish. All the hard work is done for marination. Now we'll just mix it and cook it on medium flame. Let's start. So as you can see, I have put half a spoon of desi ghee into the pan and we'll wait till it gets heated. So I'm cooking this recipe on medium flame and we'll stir it in between. And after getting the shahi jeera, that is royal cumin seeds, golden brown, I have put in the marinated chicken. And yes, we are cooking it. It will take some time, but you have to cook it on medium flame. The fragrance that is coming is awesome. The color that the degi mirch we have added is giving a very nice color to the recipe. As you can see, it is looking so yummy. So guys, in this recipe, cooking time depends on quality of chicken. Chicken legs that I have taken are a bit thicker, so I'll be covering it with lid for about 5 to 7 minutes. So let's see how it goes. So now I have opened the lid to stir the contents in the pan. So guys, I think it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for the chicken legs to get fully cooked. So we'll keep on stirring, mixing. So friends, your chicken tangri masala is ready. Relish it with Indian breads or rice. If you like my recipe, do comment in the comment box. It means a lot. Subscribe to Foodie Mom. I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!